So I do a mixture for my whole wheat side of my bread. I do a mixture of organic whole wheat, which is this one. It's like a red wheat, and Einkorn, organic Einkorn wheat. And the Einkorn is the 10,000-year-old ancient grain that has, and you can tell, like just even looking at the size of the kernel, that this is the low gluten one. Anyways, and then I mix them, and then I mix it with a whole, like an all-purpose flour, and then I do the sourdough, and then the sourdough also breaks down the gluten, and then the sourdough, the fermenting process is really good for your like microbiome of your guts. So just all around good stuff, and it tastes good, especially with butter and honey.
How fine it is with this.
The finest of it. It needs to be at 190 to 200 degrees.
Well, or between it's only direction. But no, I'm so are you still in the drinks? So are you still in Victor?